Welcome to Dark Secrets of Cybersecurity, SIEM Uncovered, focusing on Splunk and Sentinel, and why SIEM is the heart of the Security Operations Center. Imagine 10,000 employees generating 50,000 logs per second. Somewhere in that data stream, a hacker is hiding. SIEM, like the seasoned Titan Splunk or the cloud-native challenger Microsoft Sentinel, finds them. This video, brought to you by CloudEdge IT Academy, is about mastering the command center of modern security, SIEM Uncovered, focusing on Splunk and Sentinel. We'll dive into why SIEM is considered the heart of the society, comparing the established power of Splunk with the rapid deployment capabilities of Microsoft Sentinel. Our agenda covers what SIEM is in the 2026 context, configuration steps for both Splunk and Microsoft Sentinel, and finishes with a look at career roles and salary reality in this field. A SIEM is the brain of the society. It performs three key functions: collect, gathering logs from all sources; correlate, linking separate events to find a pattern; and alert, providing real-time notification for analysts. In the duel of titans, Splunk is a powerhouse for hybrid and complex environments. Microsoft Sentinel offers cloud-native, high-speed deployment. Knowing both ecosystems is key for the 2026 security landscape. Splunk Step 1 involves the foundation, deploying Splunk Enterprise or Cloud, creating indexes, and establishing a consistent naming convention like, quote, index equals security underscore logs for organization. Step 2 is data ingestion, utilizing Universal Forwarder for local agents and HEC for API-based cloud collection. The Common Information Model, or CIM, standardizes different log formats. Splunk Step 3 focuses on alerts using the Search Processing Language, or SPL. This logic can detect events like 10 failed logins in 1 minute, with output sent via email, dashboard, or ticketing. Sentinel Step 1, onboarding, is rapid. You create a log analytics workspace, enable Sentinel in the Azure portal, and achieve one-click cloud activation. Sentinel Step 2 involves data connectors. It has native connectors for Microsoft 365, Defender, and Azure AD, and the Content Hub provides templates for AWS, GCP, and firewalls. Sentinel Step 3 involves Kusto Query Language, or KQL, and automation. Logic apps enable automated response, or SOAR, for actions like automatically blocking an IP via a playbook. Key SIEM career roles include the Society Analyst, the Investigator, the SIEM Engineer, the Builder, and the Detection Engineer, who focuses on logic writing. Looking at the 2026 salary reality in India, an SOC Analyst can earn 4 to 8 LPA, a SIEM Engineer 12 to 22 LPA, and an Architect can command 30 to 60 plus LPA. Globally, USA salaries range from $95,000 to over $150,000. There's a high remote trend and demand for Indian experts in US time zones. AI is impacting the field with tools like Microsoft Copilot for security and Splunk AI for anomaly detection. In the future, SIEM will handle Tier 1 tasks, leaving you to focus on Tier 3 activities. Your 3-month roadmap should include mastering KQL and SPL, building a lab using Splunk or Sentinel free versions, and obtaining certification like Splunk Core or SC200. The SIEM is the heart of the modern SOC, pumping data and filtering noise to maintain security. Splunk is the Swiss Army knife, and Microsoft Sentinel is the cloud-native challenger in the 2026 landscape. Architecture and deployment differ. Splunk is hybrid, while Sentinel is 100% cloud-native. Setup for Splunk can take weeks. Sentinel takes hours to days. They use SPL and KQL respectively. Splunk is king of flexibility for heterogeneous environments. Sentinel, built on Azure, is a quick activation feature for organizations all in on the Microsoft ecosystem. For data ingestion and pricing, Splunk traditionally uses volume-based pricing, which can scale aggressively. Sentinel uses a consumption-based model, offering free ingestion for certain Microsoft 365 logs, lowering TCO. In detection and investigation, Splunk's SPL is highly powerful for deep Tier 3 hunting, but it has a steep learning curve for analysts. KQL is often cited as more intuitive and faster for large datasets. Sentinel also integrates Security Copilot, utilizing generative AI to help junior analysts summarize incidents and write queries. Both platforms feature top-tier automation. Splunk uses Splunk SOAR while Sentinel uses Logic Apps. Sentinel's automation is often easier to learn for those without a heavy coding background. Splunk, now under Cisco, remains the best choice for vendor-neutral environments. Sentinel is the natural fit if you are in the Microsoft ecosystem, with seamless signal sharing between tools. In summary, choose Splunk for diverse technical stacks, large budgets, and experienced teams needing deep analytics. Choose Sentinel if you are a Microsoft shop needing rapid scaling and AI-driven automation. Our next video will offer a more detailed analysis, comparing specific detection rule examples between SPL and KQL for common threats like brute force login attempts. Remember the scale of logs and the critical mission of the SIEM in finding hidden threats. In conclusion, SIEM is the heart of the society. Subscribe to CloudEdge IT Academy and download the lab guide below to continue building your future and securing the world.